Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful granny square. So let's get started. First we make a slip knot. Chain 5. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1 and we do a 12 single crochet into the ring. Attach stitch marker into your first single crochet. Now we reach to the end and slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 1 and fasten off. Now we start a round 2, slip knot, insert the hook into the any of the stitch, now chain 3. Now here we make 3 double crochet together. For this, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull through 2. So we have a 4 loops and pull through all 4 loops and chain 3. Okay. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull through 2. So total 4 loops in our hook, pull through all the loops, chain 3. One more time, yarn over, insert the hook into this next stitch, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull through 2, total 4 loops, pull through all the loops and chain 3. So we repeat this pattern all around till we reach to the end. Total we have 12 petals at the end of this round. Now we will reach to the end of this round. Slip stitch into the double crochet chain. Chain 1 and fasten off. Okay, so we completed our round 2. We totally have a 12 petals in our flower. Now we will move on to the round 3. For round 3, first we do a slip stitch, insert the hook into the any chain space. Chain 3 count as a double crochet and 2 more double crochet into the same space. Now we do 3 double crochet into the next chain space. Now we do corner into the next chain space. So for corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet into the same space. Three double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. So we repeat this pattern. In 2 space we do 3 double crochet and the next one we will do a corner. So I will show you one more time. 3 double crochet into the same space. Corner. 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet into same space. So repeat this pattern all around and I will show you how to end this granny square. Okay, so I will show you how to do a invisible join. So first of all, cut the yarn with some tail, pull the yarn from the hook, attach the needle, and now we insert our needle into the first double crochet, not in a chain 3, the first double crochet here. And now we insert our needle into the last double crochet back loop. So can you see the front loop and the back loop? So we insert our needle there and that will generate a fake stitch and hide the tail into the back. And cut the yarn. So here is your granny square. Thanks for watching.